Osmo Mobile 2 have a 15-hour battery life, and it's a built-in battery. And Osmo Mobile 1 have a 4 hours battery life. Yeah, and also we cancel the Osmo Mobile 1 buttons here, and we add one here to directly do zoom in, and zoom out. Yeah, and here for this button, triple click for selfie mode. Yeah, and one click for this is smooth track mode, and click again. This is smooth track lock. Yeah, and click twice, it's centered again. And also for vertical mode, we have a new vertical mode. This is a vertical mode. If you want to change it into vertical mode, you have to do it physically. Yeah, so it will be locked in the vertical mode when you do live streaming. And also, you can charge your phone while using Osmo Mobile by here. Yeah, so it's better for long time shooting, and it's lighter and it's cheaper. I think that's all for the differences between one and two.